Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GCP Google Cloud platform. Today we are going to learn how to set up the Node.js development environment on the Google Cloud platform. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, the first command is sudo apt update. So let's log into the console of the GCP, then paste this command. Okay, done. Moving to the next command, install the node.js. So let's copy and add the node.js over here. So make it yes and install the node.js. Okay, then node version we will check. So currently you can see 10.19 is there, but the latest version is something. Let's install the npm version also, because npm is required for this. So it will take, I think, a second more. So this is done. After the installation of the npm, let's go with the another one, that is nvm. So we can choose between the different versions. Like sometimes our code is working on the node 12 version, some of that 14 version or 18 version. So how we can switch with that one? So for that reason we have to install the nvm for that. Okay, so let's install that nvm on the same node, so that whenever we try to shift the version, we can shift. Okay, so here we go with this one. So it is installed. I think it's done. Let's install the nvm. Okay, moving to the next step, that let's go check the nvm version. Nvm version, but there are 13 similar ones. Nvm not found, it says. Okay, nvm install node. Nvm is not installed. Let me check why the nvm is not there. Just give me a second. Let's check that what exactly the issue might be. So here we go with, let's add this command. Okay, so let's add this. Okay, moving to the next one, source bash this. Okay, next we have to go with the nvm list remote. Now you can see the list is coming over here. So the latest version will come over this. So all of the version is coming over here till 20, the LTS version. Okay, so let's go and install the in. Here you can see the nvm version. Now we can go with the install node. I think already we have installed the node. So downloading and installing the latest version, that is node. Okay, so if here you can see that node hyphen v, it's currently 21.5, right? So this is the current version of the node. And if you want to go with a specific version you want to install, right, so you have to change that one. So let's suppose I want to work with the 14 version. Okay, so if I just copy that I want to use the 14 version, so let's add the nvm use 14, but it says that the 14 version is not installed. So what we have to do, we have to go with nvm install whatever the version we have, that is v14. If you want to specific version, then you will go with this one, 10.0. okay, then install this. So it will download that one and install that one. If you now you have to check that one, so which is the node version, node hyphen v. So current version is 14, and if you want to set the default, the node version, so you can do with this one, nvm alias default. You can set the default version like this, and if whenever you want to switch the version, then you can use nvm use 12, nvm use 20. So currently it's 14, I want to use 20, so I will just use this one, 20. And 20 is not installed, as 21 is installed, right? So I need to just add 21. Okay, now I will go and just check this one, node version is 21, right? So this is the full-fledged environment setup of the node.js that we have done, right? Next video we are going to learn how to set up a basic node.js application or deploy the node.js application to the gcp. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.